A rich, creamy, spicy Thai red curry broth with lots of noodles. A soup bowl filled with a bounty of flavor, color, and comfort. Recipe from start to finish, and it will be ready in 30 minutes or less. Stay tuned. The main thing that I want to show you in this recipe is the creamy, spicy Thai red curry broth. From there, you can add any noodles you like or even some rice. Top the soup with what you like or have available. So let's get started. First, I'm blanching some vegetables and cooking the noodles. I have some baby bok choy that I'm blanching for a couple minutes just to soften, and then I'm putting them in cold water to stop the cooking process and so they keep that beautiful green color. You still want some texture and flavor left in the veggies. I also have some sliced bella mushrooms and beach mushrooms that I'm doing the same. Before you cook the noodles, take a fine mesh strainer and swirl through the water to remove any vegetable debris. I'm using an 8-ounce package of a Chinese ramen noodle. You can also use any rice noodle, egg noodle, or udon noodle. Whatever you like, it's all about the noodles. I'm cooking the noodles according to the package instructions and then rinsing under cold water to stop the cooking. Now we are ready for the good part, the soup. In my pan on medium heat, I'm adding in 1 tablespoon of olive oil and 1 medium diced onion. Cooking and stirring for a minute, and then I'm adding in 1 cup of diced red bell pepper. Cooking and stirring for 3 to 4 minutes, or until the onions start to change color. Get ready for a burst of aroma. I'm adding in 4 cloves of minced garlic, 1 teaspoon of minced ginger, and 3 tablespoons of Thai red curry paste. And you can add more if you like spicy. I would say the soup recipe is a mild spicy. Cooking and stirring for 2 minutes. Keep stirring. You don't want anything to burn, but you do want to toast the curry paste. And while you're at it, enjoy the aroma. It is amazing. I'm adding in 4 cups chicken broth and 1 13-ounce can of coconut milk, and you can make this totally vegetarian by using vegetable broth. I'm turning my heat up to bring this up to a light simmer. I'm also adding in 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, and 2 teaspoons of brown sugar to balance out the heat and salty, bringing up to a simmer and cooking for 5 minutes. That's it, and remember to taste for any seasonings. Let's make a bowl and eat. I have a good healthy portion of noodles in my bowl, and I'm ladling over that delicious broth we just made. It smells so good, and if you wanted, you could stop here. I like a squeeze of fresh lime for a pop of brightness, and it really adds to the heat of the curry. I would say lime would be the 3rd required element to this soup. I just want to show you what you could possibly add to your Thai soup. I have some fresh bean sprouts, greens, and some whites of garden onions, mushrooms, bok choy, the beach mushrooms, and a soft boiled egg. You could also add on some cilantro, sesame oil, or some hot chili oil. There is so much flavor and texture going on in this bowl. The creamy coconut milk really blends everything together. A good bowl of comfort food. I hope you give my creamy Thai red curry soup a try and enjoy. If you like this video recipe, please remember to hit the like and subscribe button to receive my future recipes. Please feel free to share my channel with your friends and family. It really helps my channel grow and it is greatly appreciated. And until next time, much love.